with Chile, and France has her second roll. And they're skating through the cob. All right, Marla's on her second roll. And Nico and Ivan are skating through. 25 seconds into the mix. And those mixes are looking mixed. Woohoo! On this beautiful day in La Jungla, here we are at the first international cob off.
Come on!
And the water goes in. And Ivan Chandro from Minas Gerais, Brazil, and he's spreading his water through the cob. And the Chilean native Nico Gasparnico, he has another technique: less water, more mixing, adds more water. And then Marla Azulay from France, her mix is looking very moist, and she's just focused on her feet. And Gasparnico, the local, his mix is looking quite moist as well. And then the Brazilian is going nuts in the corner. Woohoo! A little more water for Chile. Is it too much water?
Nah.
Maybe not. Who knows? We will see. And 1 minute and 40 seconds into the mix. Ivan just added some more water. Is it too much? Too little? Let's see. We will find out. And Marla from France is being a little more conservative with the water. She wants to get it just right. Yes. And now she added another cup of water. And her legs are moving as fast as ever. And Gasparnico is just feet everywhere on that cob, and he's moving 100 miles an hour. And Marla Azulay is starting to have a little bit of a burrito in her cob. Aha! And Gasparnico forgot to get more water ahead of time, but no problem. Here he is back again. Woohoo! At the cob. And Chandro in the back from Minas Gerais, South America. A little bit of burrito starting in his roll. And he's also moving very, very fast. We have some more water in the Chilean mix. And now it's looking a little more cobby. And he's stepping away. Those feet are moving so fast. Look at all those feet moving. And we have Azulay in the corner in the shade, who is looking very confident and calm. And Gasparnico starting to have a little bit of burrito. He's also looking very confident. His mix is looking more brown. Chandro in the back is looking a little more gray. I don't know what that means, but we are moving along here. And I'm gonna take a break. Anyway, all these batches are looking very good, very professional. Let's take a closer look here. 3 minutes and 51 seconds. Let's see if we can set a new international record of cob making speed. And Marla is just moving those legs. She's falling off the tarp a little bit, but no problem. She gets it all right back. And her mix is looking very homogeneous, very unified. Gasparnico also, Nicola, is having some nice mountain peaks in his mix. I don't know, everyone's looking pretty good. A lot of heavy breathing, sweating. This is the first international cob mix competition of many to come. $100,000 for the prize. And Gasparnico has the first burrito ready for straw. He says, I'm ready for straw. But not just any straw, he has to pick the long straw. Will he have the patience to pick the good straw?
Oh my God!
Because the judge will decide about the straw in the mix. He says, okay, I'm going for a little bit of everything. We will have to see, because that straw may be the death of the mix. So they are just desperate for long straw, but not patient enough to just pick the long straw. But Marla, her mix is looking like more long straw, but maybe it needs a little bit more straw. So here she is back again in the straw pile. And Gasparnico's a little bit chaotic, but he trusts his choice of straw. Well, let's see what happens. And Ivan Chandro also, he's got the Brazilian samba step, which is looking very good for his mix. Oh, what? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Stealing edges of another cob, another straw bale. Okay, let's get this rope out of here. Everyone's working very hard. We're starting to have some kind of a look of a cob mix.